excited about this topic. It's it literally is an intimidating topic just because of the stories around it. We're more open to the confusion of nutrition and just diving in and going and grabbing. But training is like, oh my God, I don't know if I want to touch that. I don't even know if I want to go there. Strength, I don't know. And that's why I address it first in my one-on-ones. It has to be first. One of the reasons why I address it in my one-on-ones, because all the changes and actions and understanding that we're going to do moving forward, regardless of your symptoms or injuries, are going to require strength. They're going to require you understanding muscle, even the cost of symptoms, cost energy. Where's that energy coming from? The amount of strength you have. And we know this. We've seen it in family or loved ones. When they lose their strength, even a sneeze or a cough can erupt, or a simple fall, a shove, and everybody freaks out. Why? Well, it's it's a glass house like teetering over because of how they've chosen to live. Well, what if we could take away all that and get you plus to understand yourself, plus then reap the effects that come that we're going to go into that we don't even think about as just side effects of training, like of strength, of to where it's, oh my God, I didn't even think about that. Okay, so let's do this. All right. So listen to me. First of all, I appreciate you guys coming in. I know I can't say that enough. I appreciate you caring. I get excited when people give a shit. I do. Like that's the point. So my neighbor, I was telling him where I was going for the gorge, and I was saying I had house calls along the way, and he's like, "Oh, it's good that you get, that you get to help some people along the way." I'm like, "Only to the level that they want to be helped." We can't make anybody want help, right? And so again, I get stoked because I'm sitting here percolating with all this experience and information that I'm gaining every single day because I'm failing every single day and challenging every single day and thrusting myself into it and abiding by these same rules that you guys do. That I'm just like, oh, just somebody asked me something about, oh, and then when I do like this, it's here we go, here we go. And so again, it's sipping from a fire hose. For those of you who have not done a workshop with me, it's okay. Don't be overwhelmed. You have this recording to go about moving forward and how I would do it. Not to tell you, but if I'm you, I would listen to this thing over and over blind, just ride around and just let it play. And then the next time I would go through and I would go with hard clad sections because that's how my notes are set up. They're set up in sections, right? There's titles and there's sections and then there's details under those. Probably won't stick to them. It's an outline, but you're going to create an outline off that. And then you can star stuff that you move, star and asterisk the stuff that moves you the most, the stuff that you feel the most, because that's the areas you don't want to ignore. Anything you feel is for you. And I do that in my own life and then in one-on-ones as well. I'll jot stuff down that I felt real strongly, or even in life, I'm walking and then all of a sudden a feeling comes in, huh? And it's a picture and an instant and and I'll just jot it down because that's where we want to go. The body doesn't waste energy on anything. So if it's getting your attention with something, it's for you for a reason. So as you make these notes and go down, anything that you're like, fuck you, Tom, you asshole. You had resistance to that. Why? Again, I'm not singling you out. It wasn't personal, but why resist that? Or, wow, I felt really scared on that one. Or, geez, I felt empowered. I felt like I could jump out of my car in that one, or I could leap my house and star it. Okay. So the stuff you feel the most in your notes, star. And then we're going to have some experiential stuff that if you're okay with it, experience it with me today because we're talking muscle. So muscle's action. So of course we're going to do some actions. Okay.